Freeze, motherfucker.
Hiding behind the door. I didn't think you'd be so obvious.
It was only a matter of time before you came in. There's nobody left. Just you and me.
You killed everyone?
And you're last on the list.
It doesn't have to be like this, man. Think of every Nerf Gun war we've had before. We've always worked together.
Times have changed. I want to taste victory for myself.
What can I do? What can I do to convince you that this is the wrong thing to do? We can create a new world. Live together in harmony.
No! I have a taste for blood, and I want nothing but violence and chaos.
Wait. Remember the Nerf Gun War of 2018? We said if we ever made it to the last two, we would duel it out with honor. There's no honor in killing a man from behind.
Yeah, you're right. I want to see you as I shoot you.
Guess you got a taste for violence and chaos too, bitch.
Dude, that was freaking awesome!
I know! I completely forgot who I was for like 10 seconds. I feel alive.
Dude, honestly, I was a little scared for a hot second at the end there.
I feel like, energy just buzzing through me. Let's go get a beer. Let's go get a beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go.